Have a look at the first picture. Can you see, children? The girl is standing behind and the boy who was walking with a bucket of water, he fell down. Can you guess the rhyme? Yes, it is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Let's see the second picture, children. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Someone is sitting on the wall. Yes, this rhyme is Humpty Dumpty. Let's see the rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Okay, this is the third picture, children. And what is there in the picture? A mouse wants to climb a clock. And this rhyme is Hickory Dickory Dock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. This is our next picture, children. And what can you see in the picture? A girl is sitting at her window and she is watching the stars. Yes, you guessed it right. This is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So this is the page of your book, children. See, the picture is given and below a space is given where you have to write the name of the rhyme. And I have given you the name of the rhyme as well. You have to write in the given space. What is the first one? Jack and Jill. Second one is Humpty Dumpty. Third one is Hickory Dickory Dock. And the fourth one, Twinkle Twinkle. And now we are going to learn, children, the lesson Bird Word. This is the page of your book. Some pictures of birds are given and their names are written below. You have to choose the correct one and write in the box. Okay, so what is the first picture? First picture is of pigeon. At the left side I have given you the answer also. So that you have to write in the given space. Okay, what is the second picture? That picture is of rooster. Third one is crow. Next one, that is the fourth one. What is the picture? It is an ostrich. Fifth one is owl. And sixth one, peacock. Last line, seventh one, eagle. And the last one, eighth one, that is flamingo. Okay, children, spellings are also given in your book. Choose the correct one and write down. Thank you, children.